Hello, good morning. I hope you all fine. Welcome once again to the Cyber AFG YouTube channel, and this is also we call the Ethical Hacking School, and you will learn the cybersecurity in here. And today's we are going to tell you about the common terms or phrases of the cybersecurity which used by the ethical hackers. I will learn you all the terms which are important. Read the warning or disclaimer message by yourself in here. Okay, what is cybersecurity? This is the first lesson. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, damage, or disruption. In our increasingly digital world, where information and communication are primarily conducted online, the need for robust cybersecurity measures has become paramount. Cybersecurity professionals work to safeguard against various cyber threats such as hackers, malwares, viruses, ransomware, and other malicious activity. They employ a range of techniques and technology including encryption, firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and regular security updates to defend against potential cyber attacks. This is the short definition for cybersecurity. I hope you get something from this definition, or you want to find more about the cybersecurity. You can get to the Google and search for what is cybersecurity. You will be find more information about the cybersecurity. Common network security terms, or also be called common cybersecurity terms, which the ethical hacker use between themselves. These key network security terms are as follows. First is assets, second is vulnerability, and third is exploit, and fourth is threat, attack, risk, countermeasure, zero-day attack, and some or more. We will learn them and discuss on them on each one of them. And what is assets? I think you will know better what is asset. Everything we have, like we can say money is also assets, or something like gold or another things are which important for us, that all are come in assets. And here we have the short definition. Anything is valuable to organization that is to be protected can include properties, peoples, and information data that have valuable to the company. Company records, client information, proprietary software, and so on. These all are come in assets. The second expression between the ethical hacker, maybe you will face with them, that's the vulnerability. Vulnerability can be defined as weakness in a system or its design. Every system is by human created can be vulnerability. Chances for errors, mistakes, are always there in application, network, protocols, and operating system etc. so on. An attacker to gain access to an organization's network can exploit vulnerability. This is the short information about the vulnerability. I hope you get something from this, or if you want more information, Go to the Google and search for vulnerability, what security vulnerability. You will find out so more and more information about the vulnerability. And the next expression is cybersecurity or network security common terms. That's called the exploit. An exploit can be defined as a way, method, or tools which is used by an attacker on a vulnerability to cause damage to the target network or system. The exploit can be software that may cause to buffer overflow or a method of social engineering to hack a password. This is the short information about the exploit. And other expression is threat. Uh, I hope you all know the threat. What is threat? That's the common or public word, but ends technology or cybersecurity, one which causes damage to system exploiting a vulnerability. And second, physical threats are like fire, water, earthquakes, and so on. These all are common physical threats. Malicious codes like virus, Trojan, malware, phishing, and social engineering attacks. These all are common threat. And this is the short information about the threat. And what is attack? This is another expression between hackers. Attack. Attack can be defined as action taken by an attacker to harm an assets. The potential of a threat or event to happen, potential to unauthorized access to asset, potential to destruction, damage or assets. Or we can say where is asset, there is threat and there is vulnerability. These three are exist in a place, and that's equal to a risk. And what is zero-day attack? An attack that computers application vulnerability before software developer releases a patch for vulnerability. It's a very expensive course that's used for importing attack. And also we can say when the ethical hackers or black hat hackers they want to attack on the network or an important place, they use their important code which they wrote already in this attack, because we called this the zero-day attack. You can find more information about the zero-day attack in Google or somewhere in the internet. And another expression used by the ethical hackers and daisy chaining. It involves gaining access to one network and computer and then using the same information to gain access to multiple network and computers. And countermeasures. This is the last and important public common phrase used between the ethical hackers. Countermeasures is an action initiated by the organization, typically security professionals, to mitigate a threat. Safeguard that somewhere mitigates a risk, reducing or eliminating the vulnerability or risk. These are countermeasures. Also, we can say we have more expressions in the cybersecurity, but these are the common or public expressions or common network security terms which are used by the ethical hackers. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can learn the cybersecurity step by step from zero to hero. And once again, thank you very much for watching the videos. Have a nice day.